Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7, and let me share with you how to change video quality or video resolution in the camera app on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now all we have to do is to tap on this arrow, which is at the top, to open more options. And the first option from the left is connected with the video quality, so let's simply tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so 2K, FHD, HD and VGA. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick HD, and as you can see, it was immediately highlighted. Moreover, we can... Why did it change? I want to set it on HD. As you can see, after changing here, we've got the p-value, and inside this camera app, and now we've got 720p, which resembles the HD option, and obviously it will change according to the specific video quality that you will choose, and it means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.